I'm just going to show you how to make a magic ring. So we start by placing the yarn tail in the palm of our left hand. I'm just going to hold it there in place with my thumb. I'm now going to wrap the working yarn around the back of my pointy finger and bring it through between my middle finger and my ring finger. I'm now going to cross over the tail end, and then I'm going to wrap the working yarn around the back of my hand and bring it through between my ring finger and my little finger. And I'm just going to close my little finger onto it to hold it in place. So to recap, we've got the tail end of our yarn, we've wrapped the working yarn around our pointy finger, we've brought it through between our middle finger and our ring finger, we've crossed over the tail end, we've wrapped it round the back of our hand and brought it back through between our ring finger and our little finger. I'm just going to place my thumb onto the cross there just to secure it in place. I'm going to turn my hand over, and you can see here that we have two stripes of yarn, a slightly shorter one at the front and a longer one at the back. So now I'm going to take the hook and I'm going to place it under the shorter piece, and I'm going to take hold of the longer piece and I'm going to draw that through underneath the shorter piece at the front, making a lever-like movement with the hook. I'm now going to turn the hook away from myself to make a loop on the hook. I now need to yarn over, so I'm just going to open up my fingers there. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to close my hand into a fist, and then I'm going to draw that working yarn through the loop on the hook. Now if I turn my fingers over there, I'm now going to take hold of that chain stitch you just made there between my thumb and pointy finger. I'm now going to remove my fingers from the ring, and there we have a magic ring.